This is a traditional Baffin Island kayak. Hey, you see the real thing. You see a kayak. This is a real kayak. This kayak is covered with sealskin, as you can see by the seams. It is up on a stand because otherwise the dogs might eat it. Here we have the deck. We're looking at the seams on the deck. Here we're looking at the stern. This is a local kayak, another example. The same hull design. Skins are not treated in this particular example because the purpose is to show exactly how a kayak really is made. Here we have a picture of the deck. Lashed to the deck is the paddle, which I will show later. It is a very beautiful paddle. Here is a detailed picture of the paddle, just so you can see how much thought goes into the design. Note the exquisite detail of the paddle shaft. Here you have the stitching on the deck. Back over the paddle. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Here is a kayak painted gray, but note the fine lines. We're looking at the stern now. Note the broadness of beam, but the nice rounded chines. There is the bow. Note how it sweeps in and then flares out. I am in Arctic Bay. This is a traditional Baffin Island kayak. This is the bow. Now we're going to move down. Here we are midship, and here we are looking at the stern. This kayak is beamy for its own special design reasons. We're looking at the hull. This is the bow. Now we're looking at the stern section, just so you can see what the bottom looks like as far as the hull goes, how the ribs are configured. Here we are at the bow once again. This is the deck, and you can see the structure within, how it's very heavily supported. So here we are. This is very different than a Greenland kayak or Alaskan kayaks. Here you can see that nails are not used in this construction because they would just simply rust right out. So this is an overview of the deck. I'm showing you the interior of the kayak, the ribs, and the cockpit. What materials are made out of and how the whole structure is supported. Now we're looking at the stern deck. This is the stern from the bottom, just so you can see. The keel is surprisingly wide, something I've never seen before in a kayak. This is the deck from the stern looking forward. Note how absolutely flat this deck is. It's carefully planned so that they can put what they catch on the deck. This is GEFerris. Thank you for watching my video. I wanted to show you the kayaks that are built to be paddled in these conditions and this type of ice.